My friends, winter is coming. And that means we need to talk about metal element and how it can help you. In Chinese medicine, the fall season is characterized by the metal element, and the organs for metal element are the lungs. Metal, if you think about it, think about armor, think about things that are defensive. In our case as humans, this is our immune system. And one of the primary ways we can access our immune system and bolster our immune system is through our respiratory system, through our lungs. And it's interesting that when our immune system goes down, one of the first systems that tends to get infected is our respiratory tract. So what do we do about that? Inhale essential oils. Essential oils bolster our immunity. They are literally our metal element. They help to develop the terrain of the respiratory system to fight off infection. I'm Erin. I'm a certified holistic aromatherapist with over 20 years working with essential oils. Let's talk about specifically which essential oils we can use and how we use them to bolster that metal element as we go into winter, which is characterized by the weight of water. If you like this information, give me a like, a comment, a share, and add yourself to my mailing list through the link in my bio. Okay, so to some extent, literally all essential oils are going to represent metal element. All of them to some extent are going to help to boost our immunity and to help the terrain of our respiratory tract. And through our respiratory tract, they also reach our emotional center in our brain, which helps our stress response. It gets into our bloodstream through our respiration and also into our cerebral spinal fluid. And actually, this is why a plant makes essential oil in nature, is that it's making that compound more often than not to protect itself from parasites and bugs and other invaders. So the theory of aromatherapy that's not being proven by the science is that these substances will work similarly in our bodies. So here's the ones I would suggest to really boost your metal element. Think the lungs looking like a tree. You're going to reach for tree essential oils. Here's some examples, and you can get all of these from links in my profile. So we've got Scotch pine, any pine species. Spruce is also great. Eucalyptus are amazing. If you have kids, use the Eucalyptus radiata variety. And silver fir is another great one to use for families. If you have an atomizing or nebulizing diffuser, you just hook it up. You can set and adjust your intensity and diffuse for 20 minutes to an hour, 4 times a day. In a sonic diffuser, add your purified water in 8 to 10 drops. You can diffuse for 20 to 60 minutes, 4 times a day. Just make sure you have great ventilation. If you have pets, make sure they can get away. Follow for more.